viewers. Alright, so we're not even esports, we don't even care. But anyways, so we have Shinobi V, who lost to Juicy Juice earlier in bracket, and now he's playing against D1ck Darby, who lost to Yak earlier. So it looks like we're gonna have a Falco Ditto. Really interesting, very volatile matchup.
Ready?
So this is currently losers quarters. I wonder if this will play Refried Jeans. I wonder if that will have a chance in the grand finals after they pass the finals. So we're starting on PS. Oh, this is a button check. This is a button check. Wait. Yo, who's the red Falco? You're the red Falco? Okay, thank you. So D1ck playing red Falco and Shinobi V playing blue Falco. Impressive multi-shines and wave shines coming from Shinobi V right now. Yeah, get up to really fast. Yeah, practicing some. It's always fun. Alright. Yo, this is still a hand warmer, right? Okay, just making sure. I was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so I think we're actually gonna start for real. So, Shinobi, you are the blue fox, right? You're blue Falco, right? Alright, cool, thanks. Don't worry, we got 2 viewers, this laptop and that one. So we're doing well. We're doing well today. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, put the stream on Reddit. What? Yeah, I did. I like posted this. I posted this as a comment.
Oh, it's a comment free man.
Dude, it's a big post.
Ready? Go!
I'm sorry. All right, so we're starting on Yoshi's story. Darby D1ck playing as red Falco, Shinobi V playing as blue Falco. Nice combo so far. PP. PP. Such PP. Nice crouch cancel against those down airs. Ooh, interesting up air to break away pressure. Nice back air, stuffing out anything. Nice angle, beautiful angle. Ooh, good read on the forward smash. Falco does not come back for that. D1ck is taking first stock. I can't take this seriously. Nice combo going on right now. In this matchup, every stock matters because, as someone said, the stock is like a bucket. You just want to see how much water it can hold, how much damage you can do. Ooh, unsafe pressure. Reverse back air, weak back air. Ooh, oh no! What happens? He fast falls the ledge by accident. Unfortunate. Almost consider that an SC. But then, ooh, shine clanks. Interesting up smash. Ooh, good shield. Nice forward air out of shield. Good nair. Good nair. Oh, and Randall coming by with the taunt. Good spot dodge to avoid that dare. Bad get up attack. Jab reset. Misses a punish. More punish. Ooh, Randall interrupting that Firefox stall, or Firebird stall. Oh. Gets caught in shine, gets shield grabbed for it. Ooh, wasn't ready for the Firebird. Oh no, an unfortunate SD coming from Shinobi V. That is so unfortunate. Then again, this is a Falco dude, a very volatile matchup. Could go either way. But Darby, with this big combo, drops it. Shinobi V controlling a lot of space right now. Darby with the mind games, trying to, ooh, nice down smash. Can't come back from that one. This game is virtually even. Wait, why? Why would you do that? You just fell. By the way, losers quarter is still best of 3. It's only finals, it's best of 5, so make it count. We can do losers quarters and above best of 5. Best of 5. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think it'll be good though. Wait, no, like basically top 8. That's basically top 8. Yeah, all top 8. Okay, so counter pick FD. Shinobi V's counter pick. He's probably looking for really big combos, but right now, oh, Darby trying to go for a hard read, but Shinobi V's only at roughly 30%. Good read. Getting a lot of those reads actually. Oh, nice option coverage. Covers the Firefox in and the Firefox up into ledge. Nice up tilt back air. Up throw, reverse back air. Ooh, this is that forward smash. Oh, miss tech. Okay, nice. Weak neutral air. Ooh, good shine stall. Ooh, doesn't get punished for that at all. Actually landing perfectly. Good spot dodge to avoid the up tilt. The up tilt is actually very disjointed. Ooh, misses that edge guard. Oh! The Firebird almost killing off the top at 160%. Nice down tilt. That will clean it. Clean wave dashes away. Good F tilt. Oh, will it steal it? Oh my god! Once again, Shinobi V opting to go up, being very aware that D1ck is going to try to dare, but then in response, D1ck just opts for a down smash, and it works beautifully. Oh, nice jab reset, but misses it. The forward smash probably not the most optimal option, since his frame data is not good enough. Well, it's very active, but it has slow startup. Uh-oh. Ooh, nice down air to clean out that stock. Reading that that D1ck would go high. Ooh, nice. Wow, amazing up tilt to clank out that Firebird. Ooh, that's kind of a risky F smash, but doesn't get shield grabbed for it. Interesting spacing. Ooh, good down smash. Good patience from Shinobi. Ooh, wow, that ain't Fox though. That's not Fox. Dash attack, up smash, probably not the most viable option in this matchup. I'm feeling there that D1ck wanted to go for the hard read. Oh no! Ooh, wow, amazing dare, and gets back to stage. Interesting mind games coming from D1ck right now with the dash dancing. Oh, misses the dare. Reverse back air. Up tilt. Ooh, lots of pressure right now. Misses the back air. Nice strong hit of back air. That will steal it. This game is virtually even. Oh, gets dash attack. D1ck's playing with the shine. Another, a forward smash. This might be it. Oh no! No! Oh no! No! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's so unfortunate. Oh my gosh. Oh.